What's going on, guys? Levi here, milling a bunch of logs today. I'm going to show you a maple log. This log is most likely going to turn into coffee tables. Let's turn the camera around and take a look. So this log right here is about 40, I think 38, 39, 40 inches long. Yeah, about 40 inches long. There we go. You guys can see it. Widest end right here, we're looking at about 23 inches wide. Narrow end, we're talking maybe 16 inches. We're gonna get some nice 2 1/4 inch thick slabs. We're gonna get some nice figure right in here. We're gonna get some hopefully nice figure right here that might be hollow, but there still should be some really cool figure in it. This log has been sitting for a little while, but I'm not expecting a ton of spalting, if any. Sometimes stuff like this, fungus, indicates spalting, but I just don't think this log has been sitting long enough to have some spalted maple. There is a log over here that I will be showing you guys. That log right there, really hoping there's some nice spalting in it. So we're gonna tear into this log. We'll see how far we get. Maybe we'll get to that one at some point today. So let's get this thing milled up and we'll see what it looks like. Forgot to start the video. At the end, chain caught the front of the log almost through my chain. No big deal. Take it off the mill, tighten the chain, and keep on going. You have 4 really nice slabs out of this log. Definitely the most narrow one, but the curves are super cool. Really pretty grains. Got this one right here. I'm not sure which side I like better. I like that you can see the live edge a little bit better on this side, but when you flip it over, bear with me here. Awesome figure. I love that branch. The branch coming out to the right is really cool. Again, this one, both sides, so pretty. And we've got this piece right here. So all 4 2 1/4 inches thick. I think this slab is probably my favorite out of the 4. Really nice little coffee tables. Probably fill the bark inclusion in the middle with a little bit of resin. Finish it, throw some legs on it. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, share my channel with your friends. Comment below if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you next video.